Hello everyone and welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing the Meat Claws Barbecue Smoker and Grill. Fun fact for everyone, a lot of people actually use these for more than just what they're made for. A lot of people use these for your costumes, so different costume parties. People actually use these. They paint them and do all kinds of stuff for different costumes, like the Wolverine and other costumes. So that's just a fun fact if you guys are interested in using them for alternative use. So as you can see, they would be good for shredding and ripping meats. They are pretty sharp too, so keep that in mind. Don't hurt yourself. But yeah, you know, you just grip them, get the meat, pull the meat apart. They're interlockable. They're very nice. They definitely will do the job. Oh yeah, we're gonna be able to use our claw and rip this up once we get it nice and tender. Alright, we add some carrots and some onion and pepper mix. We're gonna make a good meal tonight. Alright, it's time to use the ripper. So we've been waiting for this moment. So as you can see down in here, oh yeah, look at that. It's working great. Love this. Just rips it right apart. Look at that, it just shreds it. So once we take everything out of here, we can rip it completely apart. But yeah, this is awesome.